I've just run my very first online Dashboards in Modern Excel course. So I've been running this course for many years now, and we always run it as a face-to-face workshop. Usually it's just one full day, 9 to 5. And it's always really interactive and really jam-packed with a lot of practical exercises, and people bring in their own dashboards and we give feedback. And running this in an online environment, I must admit I was a little bit apprehensive. I just wasn't quite sure how it was going to work via Zoom. We had 16 people and we ran it over a couple of days with a few hours each day. And we put people into breakout rooms, and it was amazing. People were so responsive. They participated. Particularly the breakout rooms worked really well. So we had people from the same regions and the same organisations being in together, and I was able to pop in to all the different rooms and have a chat and see how everybody was going. People were able to share their screens, which worked really well. And it's a little bit slower though than when you're in a face-to-face environment, and I had to always remember that it takes just a little bit longer. You've got that lag of when you're sharing your screen and when you're actually demonstrating something. It just takes a little bit longer, but other than that, I think it's a whole different environment that we're working in now, and it just takes a little bit of getting used to. I'm planning to actually run this course again next month, so we're going to do Dashboards in Modern Excel over 3 days, 3 hours a day, and we're going to do it twice because of the different time zones. It's really different. It's quite hard to get a time that suits everybody. The one that we ran today and yesterday, we actually were just covering from Perth. We had people from Papua New Guinea, Adelaide and New Zealand, but being able to accommodate all of those people can be a little bit more difficult. So we're going to run it at a couple of different times of day. So I'd love to see you there. This is really exciting. Thank you.